can you really paint in the middle of the summer in the valley? Can you really paint in the middle of the winter in Flagstaff? Talk about what your favorite manufacturers kind of come up with.
Yeah, no, it's a really good question, right? In Phoenix, we say we have two temperatures, right? Hot and a little less hot. So we got to be prepared to paint in any kind of weather. So right here, actually, we have a new product from Sherwin-Williams, relatively new. It came out about a year and a half ago. We were going to them time after time, and we were asking, like, hey, like,
what's the magic sauce?
What's the magic sauce? We need something that we can use when it's 110 out. And it's, that's the projected temperature, 115. So they came out with this
because
product.
at that temperature, your west-facing stucco wall is approaching 130, 135.
Exactly. And it's like, man, our painters need to eat and feed their families in the summer. We want to make sure we're taking care of them. So what's a product that's going to let them do that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have this right here. It can go on up to 120 degrees. So that allows
ambient temperature?
Yep, exactly. So we're good to go. It's a really impressive product.